Change delivery optimization cache drive for updates. In Windows 10 and 11, Windows stores update cache files on your system drive, but if you're running low on space, there's a way to move them. Today, we'll walk through how to change the Windows Update Delivery Optimization cache drive using two methods. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Local Group Policy Editor. Let's start with the Local Group Policy Editor. This method is available on Pro, Education, and Enterprise editions of Windows 10 and 11. Log in as an administrator and create a backup of your policy settings. Press Windows plus R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. Navigate to Local Computer Policy, Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Delivery Optimization. Double-click Modify Cache Drive. Set it to Enabled and enter the new location. This could be D drive d:/delivery_optimization_cache or %system drive %. Click OK to save. A new Delivery Optimization folder will appear at the location once updates are triggered. Using Windows Home. If you're using Windows Home, you'll need to use the Registry Editor instead. Press Windows plus R, type regedit and press Enter. Go to HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows /delivery optimization. If the delivery optimization key doesn't exist, create it. Right-click to create a new string value named DO Modify Cache Drive. Double-click it and set the value to your desired location. Reboot your device for the changes to take effect. Once restarted, a new Delivery Optimization folder will be automatically created at the path. If it doesn't appear, check folder permissions. This change doesn't affect update speed and persists after major Windows updates. It's a useful way to manage limited system drive space without turning off delivery optimization completely. For more information, check out our official blog post on changing delivery optimization cache drive for updates in Windows, linked in the description below.